Let yourself be changed by the love in your life, by the beautiful mornings, by the souls who want to meet you right where you are, by the unexpected opportunities that grew out of impossibilities, by the moments when the path unfolded, even when you most feared it wouldn't. So often, we focus on what's missing. But today, let's focus on what has already carried you so far. Love doesn't always come in grand gestures. Sometimes, love is the morning sunlight pouring through your window. Sometimes, love is a friend who texts you just to check in. Sometimes, love is in the opportunities you never thought you would receive the second chances, the door that opened just when you thought they wouldn't. When you notice these things, when you let yourself be moved by them, you begin to see how supported you really are. Think of how far you have come. Think of how much you have grown. The person you are today was walked through storms, healed from wounds, and chosen to keep going. That too is love. The love you have shown yourself in the form of resilience, in the form of faith, in the form of refusing to give up. And the truth is, you have more love in your life than you can currently see. More support, more beauty, more goodness. You only need to allow yourself to notice it. So, let yourself be changed by the kindness you receive, by the grace that finds you, by the beauty that surrounds you in a small, ordinary ways. When you allow yourself to be moved by love, you soften, you open, you align with gratitude and joy. And in that space, life feels lighter. Because you are no longer fighting against it, you are allowing yourself to be carried by it. Here, your challenge of the day. List 3 ways love has already changed you. This could be through people, opportunities, or simple moments of beauty. Say aloud, I let love change me. I am surrounded by more goodness than I can see. So today, pause. Look at the light. Listen to the voice that cares for you. And notice the blessings that once felt impossible. You are surrounded by love. You are guided by love. You are being changed by love, whether you realize it or not. Let yourself be moved by all the goodness that surrounds you. Because you have so much more than you can currently see.